Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restrict other user or person can find you on X account by using your phone number. If other user or person has your phone number, then that person can find you by using your phone number. So we are going to disable this option. Now you see setting and support. In setting and support, now you see setting and privacy. So click on it. So we are in setting option. Now you see multiple option and then you see privacy and safety. So click on it. So we are in privacy and safety option. Again you see multiple option. Now you see discoverability and contact. Control your discoverability settings and manage contact you have imported. So click on it. And then you see option let other find you using your phone number. We already enabled this option. Now we are going to disable it. After that, people cannot find us by using our phone number on X account. So we disable this option. People who have your phone number will be able to connect with you on X. So we disable this option. So after that, if any user or other person has my phone number, but that person cannot find me on X account by using my phone number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.